Gmail offers a simpler alternative if you frequently find yourself copying and pasting the same message or writing the same email repeatedly. To set up a template, you need to enable it first. Click on Setting icon, click on See All Settings. Go to Advanced tab. Under Template, click on Enable Radio button. Once done, click Save Changes button. Now, type your message, or you can use email from draft menu that you already have. Click on the three dots menu, click on Templates, and click on Save Draft as Template. Type a subject name and click on Save button. Now, to test the template, click on Compose. Click on the three dots menu, go to Template, and here you can see your template named after your subject name. Click on it, and here is your template that you have set up earlier.